Welcome back to the next tutorial on HTML. In the last video, we explained what HTML is, what is HTTP, and who invented HTML. And we also explained what IP is and how we connect to internet, what HTTPS is, and what is 127.0.0.1 is. And we also explained that in order for you guys to test your website, you need a local host, so you don't need internet access. So in this video, we're gonna see how we're gonna configure our web browser to install to our computer. As you guys can see that I've got this Firefox. You guys can open the Safari, or if you guys Chrome, go to Chrome, or this Opera, doesn't matter. Any browser can do the job. So if you put a local host, all right, as you guys can see, local host. First, to begin with, my local host is not even responding. All right, so we'll see what comes in for localhost. Looks like my browser a little bit slow. So, all right, so we jump into the Chrome, or okay. So it says that unable to connect. It means we don't have localhost. Say we try here, localhost. All right, so we see, because I had this localhost and I removed it. So, and yeah, we don't have any localhost. It's giving me error that the connection is refused. All right, so we see how we're gonna configure and how we're gonna establish connection to our localhost in order for us to check in our website, our HTML, plus how we're gonna write HTML. So we go step by step. All right, so if you got a Safari or you've got a Firefox or Chrome open, we go and check. So we open the next page. All right, so we go for we go and type XAMP. All right, so my browser a little bit slow. So if you type this XAMP, it's gonna connect to this website. So it's a little bit slow. As you guys can see, I've got a different search engine, DuckDuckGo. As you guys might have a Google or any other search engine, or Yandex or Baidu, but my favorite search engine is DuckDuckGo. That's what I like to search things. I'm going to tell you guys later on why I like this, but at the moment, as you guys can see, it says download XAMP, and it's the website is apachefriends.org/download.html. So we go there. As you guys can see, it says the definition of XAMP, and is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack. So it means that cross-platform is in every platform. It doesn't have to be like a Windows or Mac or anywhere. It goes and runs on any platform, any operating systems. As you guys can see, that it says that's for Windows, and that's the version numbers, and that's for Linux, and that's for OS X. And as you guys can see, this all these different web frameworks, content management. So I don't want to confuse you guys at the moment with this web frameworks. All right, so we go and see download 64-bit, and that's SHA-1. That's for security. If you guys can see all these numbers, that's when you guys download it, and sometimes some people checked it and to see if the file is not getting corrupted or the file is still okay and with the servers is matching with the server. And down here it says version is 7.3.26. It means that's the latest version. And slash, it says PHP 7.3.26. As you guys can see, PHP, we didn't explain PHP, but PHP is the server side which connects the HTML to the server. So we're connecting to our local host. We need a PHP to connect us. In a few videos, we go to in depth and see what PHP is and how we connect to our local host and how we connect to the our servers. Say HTTPS. That's a live server. That's also okay. So we go here and we press download. Okay. It says to save a file. We're saving a file. We're looking at our files. It's downloading. So when you download this file, you guys go to your download folder and having a look at this installer.exe. It says XAMP for Windows, and we're opening our file from here. All right, so our file is opening. Looks like the file needs restart, but I'll do this, and after that I'll go and restart this Firefox. As you guys can see, I'm running Windows. That's a bit slow to my Linux. So that's one thing. I don't like Windows, but I use it every now and then. But my main operating system is Linux. So okay, so we're gonna run. So just to let you guys know that in future videos we go and see this signs here. They are very powerful and popular, most popular website frameworks, and each needs different videos to. And if we go to WordPress, say if you guys want to learn WordPress, WordPress is also very popular inside the internet community. All these people wants to create these contents. It's a content management system, CMS, plus this Joomla as well, and these two as well. So I don't want to confuse you guys because you guys are absorbing this XAMP at the moment and this HTML. So we go bit by bit, and I'm going to explain everything bit by bit. So one day you guys will be able to make your website inside this WordPress and inside the other ones. Okay, so our example is here. Okay, some functional example possibly restricted. All right, that's typical Windows. All right, so it says that select component setup. Some wants to install, clear do not wants to install. Okay, so we want this Apache, this server, as I explained that you guys need this server to connect your local host inside your computer. Then you don't need internet access or anything. Okay, we need this Apache in at the moment because as you guys can see is the thing, but I recommend you guys this let this download this MySQL and FileZilla and this PHP, because at the moment we need a PHP and Apache, but as we progress inside other tutorials and you guys getting good grip on PHP and HTML, then you guys, I'm going to explain what MySQL is, what is FileZilla, FTP servers, what is Mercury, and what is Tomcat. As I explained to you guys, now that we are dealing with Apache and the PHP to connect to the local website, plus this Perl. Perl is totally different programming language, and you guys, but still it's relevant to the website, to the local host. Okay, so this program language is PHP admin. That's totally different different as you guys can see subjects, which we're going to cover in the future videos. But at the moment, you guys should know this server, that we are connected to the server, and Apache, that's the name of this server which connects us, and we need a PHP. So we're gonna learn PHP as well. And what's that our exam is going to be downloaded inside the C. But if you guys want to download somewhere else, inside D folder or any other folders, you guys are more than welcome to do. Okay, so our preferred language is English, and we're going to press next. Okay, and then next again, and it's installing. So, all right, as you guys can see that the installing process is just finished. So we press the finish button. Before we pressing, it says, do you want to start the control panel now? We say yes. So we press this one, finish, and we wait for the control panel to pop up.